DJ NTV.
Nothing we not go see for this our country Naija. This next story so go concern Sojo when he don kpake ekelebe, when he dey waka about dey collect 50k from people. Now the story talk am say this ekelebe so na say just dey waka up and down dey obtain 50k from people in the name of say dem be yahoo guys. Dey income come full when Sojo come nab am. Make we abeg show us the video make we see.
Man, you don't step for head now. Give me that phone. Hey, you go miss. Bring nothing there. Come from my side. Bring those money come. Bring them. Put them for blood. Bro, follow me. Now, better to the go so. Can you imagine? For what? See how many people are there. We cannot say below. Why is that? Put up my bag. Go.
It don't stand for you to
Where?
Today, you don't popular. But today is not there. Go here today. Popular. Don't buy you.
You got power.
Go ATM.
Yo, bring this money today.
Coronavirus. They say they collect money for boys. They disturb boys.
Bring the money.
The video show una don see am. Una don say na wawa. Nothing we not go see for this our country Naija o. All in the name of lockdown. If this one are the first time when you take dey watch our news videos like this, I beg, no forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel when be DJM TV, and make you not forgetful to hit the notification bell so that you go continue to get ogbonge news videos from us like this.
DJ NTV.